Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we want to explore the top 10 most tourist attraction in Malaysia. So let's begin. Number 1 is Petron's Twin Tower, a most iconic of all. This one is the most iconic place in visit in Malaysia. The Petron's Twin Tower dominate the Kuala Lumpur skyline and have become a part of a local cultural and nationality identity for the village suit. Price is near about 1400 for adult and around 550 rupees for children's. Number 2 is Penang, the finest for all, located near northwestern coast of peninsular Malaysia. Penang is one of the most finest Malaysian island in prices near about no. Major tourist attraction is Rainbow Skywalk, Strait of Harmony and Waterfront Village are some of the places you are must visit in Penang. Third one is Kinabatangan, Malaysia, among the most romantic place in visit in Malaysia. This one tops the list. Entry fee is 6,000 rupees per person, and major attraction is visit to a jungle camp and enjoy wildlife in the Kinabatangan and the 2 days and 1 night trip in Kinabatangan. So let's do it. Fourth one is Malacca, the city of ancient architecture. In 2008, Malacca attained the UNESCO Heritage Site status and is considered among the must-see place in Malaysia. And the major attraction is visit Baba and Nana Heritage Museum. And entry fee is 130 to 150 rupees for adults and children. So you can do it and enjoy the Malacca, the ancient architecture. Fifth one is a Famosa Fortress for a hint of Europe. In Portuguese, the meaning of a famosa is famous, and the location is this spot is Jalan Parmeswara Bandar Hill, Gajaha, Malacca, Malaysia, and major attraction is strong rooms, officers' quarters, and captains. So you can do it. Sixth one is a Bukit Bintang, be a party of crazy. On a visit of Kuala Lumpur, one can you also experience the best of nightlife and shopping in Bukit Bintang, Street of Bukit Bintang, and location Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and no entry fee of this family spot, so you can explore it. Seventh is Menara KL Tower, stunning cityscape. The KL Tower 421-meter tall building and the provide of one of the most stunning views of the city, and the KL Tower observation deck height is 276 meters and the major attraction is all of them, and entry fee is 830 for adult and 500 for children. Eighth one is Islamic Art Museum and insight into the culture. This museum is provided the 7,000 artifacts which represent Islamic culture, and the fee is only 15 and 10 rupees for adults and children. So the Malaysia Islamic Arts location in Perdana Jalan Lembak, Tehsil Perdana, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ninth one is Kek Lok Si Temple, popular amidst pilgrims. Built in the year of 1891, Kek Si Temple is tagged as one of the significant Malaysia attraction. Location is Air Itam, Penang, Malaysia, and entry fee is none of the above. So explore the world. Last one is Mount Kinabalu, Hiker's Paradise, the tallest mountain of Borneo, and the location is West Coast Division, Sabah, Malaysia, and the fees is none of the above. Major attraction is zipline to experience the rush that comes with high velocity. Guys, enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Until then, goodbye, stay safe, stay home.